Hello everyone. So today I am going to show you the simulation of a boost converter using Simulink on MATLAB. So this is the circuit that I have prepared. But before we come to the simulation, let's understand the basics and what a boost converter is and what it does. So a boost converter, also known as a step-up converter, is a DC to DC power converter that steps up voltage while stepping down the current from its input supply to its output, which is also the load. It is a class of switched mode power supply, also known as SMPS, containing at least two semiconductors, a diode and a transistor, and at least one energy storage element, a capacitor, inductor, or the two in combination like the one that I've made, where I've used even a capacitor and an inductor. To reduce the voltage ripples, filters made of capacitors, sometimes in combination with inductors, are normally added to such a converter's output, which is the load side filter, and the input, which is the supply side filter. So, in front of yourselves, you can see that I've prepared the circuit of a boost converter, and you can see the components. So, let's start with this. This is the series RLC branch, and I have taken the branch type to be L, which is inductor, and the inductance is 1 microhenry. Okay, now the voltage source, I have put the input to be 5 volts. This is a pulse generator, and the amplitude is 1, and the period I've reduced to 1 by 25,000 seconds, and the pulse width is 70%. And this is a MOSFET that will be used as a switch, and for the ideal conditions we have reduced the resistance as far as possible to 0.001 so that it works in its ideal conditions, and other things are as same. So this is the diode, and everything is the same. Resistance is 0.001, forward voltage 0.8, snubber resistance and all. Okay, this is another series RLC branch, and I've typed the branch type to be capacitor, and I've taken the capacitance to be 33 microfarad for now. This is another series RLC, and the branch type is R, and the resistance I've put 100 ohms for now. This is then the load is then connected to this voltage measurement. This is a power GUI which is used for Simscape circuits for the working of it. This is a scope, and this is a display for the continuous display of the voltage that has been amplified over here. So let's now see the simulation of this. So you can see that this is the output that we are getting, and you can see that the input voltage was 5 volt, and we are getting almost 16 volts at the output, 15.95. So this is how you see that the boost converter amplifies the voltage, and the input voltage, which was 5 volt, is now a larger voltage at the output, which is 15.95 volts. So this is what you are getting as the output. So this was all about a boost converter. It is a very simple circuit diagram. Thank you for watching this video.